Welcome back to the Viper vlog, and if you've been following along so far, you know that I just got my certification from 3M for PPF. I have done my headlights already on the Viper, and I just got done doing a three-stage paint correction on the front bumper. And the front bumper is probably about a 7 out of 10. There are some spots that we got some spiderweb cracking going on. I don't think this camera can pick up on this, but this area I've been doing some touch-up work. And what I did was I touched it up and I started wet sanding it. And I'm gonna have to put another coat on here to fill in some of these deeper cracks. But this is by far the worst part of the car, and it's really not even that noticeable because it's so low. But I got my pre-cut kit here, and again, the camera probably can't even pick up on this, but it doesn't look like it's gonna cover that much of the bumper. It's gonna be probably just the majority of the front. I don't think it's gonna wrap completely around the sides, which is kind of a bummer, but you know what, this is just kind of going to be practice because I can see myself getting this bumper resprayed at some point in time. The other thing that I can see being a potential issue is on this pre-cut kit, hopefully the light can hit that just right, but the emblem is pre-cut, and that's kind of an issue because with these low volume cars, that front emblem here might not be perfectly center. So that pre-cut line might be off by half a centimeter or something like that, and that won't look too good. So that's just one of those things that when I order these kits, I have to specify don't cut out the emblems or logos or anything like that. And again, this is just going to be a practice piece on the Viper. You know, the headlights went great. This bumper should go just as good. I don't see too many issues going forward. It's a pretty straightforward pattern. No really severe curves or any other kind of molding or designs that could give me an issue. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on. Again, the bumper is perfectly clean. It's had the 3-stage paint correction. I'm using Meguiar's pads and 3M finishing material compounds. So I'm going to go ahead and get to this. All right, I got the pattern pulled and kind of laid up. And as you can see, this is what I was talking about. It doesn't come all the way to this aft edge, which I really wish they would have done. You know, it's a pre-cut kit, and again, I'm still waiting for my bulk material. But yeah, so I kind of got it laid up. That's kind of what it's going to cover. Mainly this front piece here. And I'm going to get this all stretched out and looking nice. And it came with a second piece to cover down here, but I'm not going to put that on yet until I get that front spot completely touched up and looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started squeegeeing. Try to get this thing pulled out and laying nice and contouring the edges real good. So next time you see it, it'll be looking pretty damn good. All right, well, over an hour later, I'm done. It looks pretty good. What I thought was going to happen actually happened. The emblem is not cut in the right spot. Let's see. Oh, yeah, you can see right here. So this is where the pre-cut kit said the emblem was going to be, and obviously it wasn't. So this was probably the most difficult part, was just dealing with this, having to cut it out. And I have the piece that popped out, and I'm going to try and put it in place and get it to look a little bit better than this. I'm not happy about it, right? I'm not, you know, I could have just hand cut it and we would have been good. But you know what? We live and learn, right? This is why I do this on my car first. And again, this is just, you know, a kit that I bought because the shortage of the rolls, you know, COVID, extreme circumstances. Usually I would just, I would do a hand cut and call it good. But yeah, you know what? I'm happy because, you know what? Now I'm protected. The entire front bumper, headlights, and soon to be the hood when I get those rolls in. And the more I've been looking at this, the more I'm thinking I'm gonna probably do 2 pieces, probably one to here, and then one all the way back. And that would put a crease right in the middle of this, but I can't think of a better way to do it just because this hood is so freaking big. But we'll figure it out. So, yeah, just another little episode of the Viper vlog. So wait for the next one.